Not a happy baby. He keeps crying. He keeps complaining, really. Are you complaining? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter with the baby? Oh man, what did I do? Okay. There we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. This is a swivel. What's wrong? What's the matter? Ah. Oh, your mouth. Your mouth. Yeah, that doesn't taste good either, huh? Wait a minute. What about... Dragonfly? Oh, my baby.